Hi friends, in this video we will draw the eyebrows and it will be the full tutorial. So please watch the video until the end. So let's get started. For this drawing you need only 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B and you are ready to go. Now grab 2B pencil and do the base layer on the eyebrows. Now grab dry brush and do the blending on the layer. Now grab 4B pencil and do the one fine here properly by observing the reference peak. And now grab 6B pencil and do the same method as we have done with the 4B. And now grab 8B pencil and do again the same method. Now grab Tombow Mono Zero Eraser and do the highlights because the highlights are the most important part in the drawing.